Let it rip, Tater Chip. Here we go. Get it. Good morning, everybody. Today's gonna be a video for the 2019 Honda Pilot. A lot of my subscribers were asking, hey, when are we gonna get another video on your Honda Pilot? Well, a little backstory on that. My wife had a 2018 Honda Pilot that I got for her, and she loved it, and I was like, you know what, how can I make this more fun for Gearhead Dad? You know what I mean? Our family is growing, so we did get a bigger vehicle because of that reason. So I looked online and I found like maybe 2 or 3 videos of people with Pilots and Ridgelines that had this AEM intake. So I think I picked it up for like 260, 280 bucks. Don't quote me. Anyways, guys, so you know what? Let's go ahead and make a turn right here. We'll turn right here. I'm gonna give you guys some before and after clips on how this sounds. I think today sounds like a good day, or looks like a good day to install the AEM intake on this 2019 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive. Let's see a little hit right here. What's that? Under the power band. That was VTEC. Yeah. Well, that was very, very tame, and I could use some other more colorful words, but yeah. Let's try like a 40. That was VTEC right there. Lower the window a little bit. You can hear stock. Here we go. That's slammed. Top Gun. Alright, guys, I think that's a good what's the word I'm looking for, a good baseline to go off of on what it sounds like before the intake. This is 110% bone stock 2019 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive. Just got 2,600 miles on the clock right now. All right, guys, here's the box. How we left it before taking it off. Part number 21795C AEM. All right, here's the instructions. Look at this. I thought this was pretty cool. Little dyno chart before and after. So that is pretty freaking cool. Definitely sounds cool. I don't know if that's, yeah. So we got our filter, we got the tube. I remember this. And our shield. Whenever you get your kit, you're gonna have to cut all this crap out to size. And then that little part was fun too. Alright, clamps, some bolts. I hope I got all the bolts. Alright, so start by popping this off. It just pops off. Don't be scared, don't be scared. Okay. Get that out of the way. There's our stock system. This thing, we're gonna pop it off too. Just lift up on it. Get her out of the way. All right. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, that's gonna go there. Very cool. All right, let's get started. So I know we gotta take this shit off. We gotta disconnect the negative. Let's start with that. Alright, guys, as you can see, we went ahead and already took off the old stuff. We got the new tube on, filters on. Got this little hose connected back here with the supplied, I guess, hose that they provided with. Yeah, it's hooked up. Well, I guess all we gotta do now is just take our mass airflow sensor, off of the old system right there. 2 Phillips screws. Carefully remove it. We'll put that bad girl in here, tighten her down, not too tight. We'll torque it down to manufacturer's spec. We'll go ahead and put this section right here, the engine cover on, this front radiator cover deal. Then we'll go ahead and turn it on and we'll let it idle for 3 full minutes, just so it can do this little learning deal. I usually like to let it idle for like 5 minutes, man, just to be safe. And then I'll go and cruise it with regular driving first, so that way I can start you know, relearning its driving habits with this new added air. And then we'll get to the fun stuff where we get to beat up on this 2019 Honda Pilot, which is really dirty. I think we'll go get it washed for the wife. Oh, my 4Runner. Oh. All right, let's finish this up. Okay. All right, so 7:04. We'll go ahead and let it idle. So that's at about 7:09, 7:10. Everything seems good. Alright guys, right now we'll go for a drive, make sure everything's working okay. Yeah, she's acting normal, guys. I mean, you wouldn't even notice this thing has anything on it. I'm not gonna bore you with the whole learning deal. I mean, it doesn't say this in the instructions to drive it for a while before you beat up on it, but I would just assume that, you know, anybody that does a performance mod to their vehicle themselves, you would want to drive it a little bit just to confirm that you installed the part correctly and that there's no leaks. You know, in our case, any air leaks, or you're doing something else, fluid leaks, you always want to look out for stuff like that. Okay guys, everything checks out fine. Let's go ahead and see how she does under part throttle. I have the windows down just so we can hear a little better, but with part throttle. Okay. I'm gonna put the windows up for this part throttle deal. Little part throttle sounds pretty good. Barely touching the gas, guys. Don't think that that's floored, by no means. I just want to see how she does, what gears she's downshifting to. Alright guys, it's time to hear the Japans and this thing right here. Let's go ahead and give her a rip, guys. Here we go. Woo! Oh guys, I don't know if you can hear that in my voice. That is pure joy. Wow, dude, I forgot how cool that sounded. Well, she didn't blow up. Let's hear that shit with the windows down. I'm curious. Man, that thing was pretty loud. Let's hear it under this thing. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh wow. There you have it, guys. The AEM intake for the Honda Pilot 2019, and I would say that this is just a must, guys. You got to get one of these. Let's do a little roll. Here we go. Slow down a little bit. Oh, it's ridiculous. We're gonna get in a lot of trouble, guys. Oh man. You know what? For the Japans, let's do a Yui right here. Let it rip, tater chip. Here we go. Get it. Oh, dude. I feel like a little kid. That is so much fun. Alright guys, I'm sure there'll be more from the Honda Pilot now that we got some nice sounds coming out of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I mainly you know, doing stuff with my GT500, but since you guys asked for it, here's this video just for you guys out there. Hope you enjoyed it. You enjoy yourself, enjoy your day, stay positive, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.